Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can remove a Bitmoji from Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're gonna step into our video. For that, first of all, access your Snapchat on your mobile phone. Afterwards, all you have to do is tap on your Bitmoji icon on the top left corner. Afterwards, all you have to do is simply tap on the secure icon that will be on your top right corner of the screen. Over here, all you have to do is simply scroll down a bit till then you will get this option of a Bitmoji right over here. Simply go ahead, tap on it. Now you will be able to access your particular Bitmoji that you use on your Snapchat. You can choose to tap on this change my outfit. For it, you can change simply your look. You can also choose to edit your Bitmoji, or you can simply replace your Bitmoji by tapping on choose a selfie and simply choosing any other that you would like. If in case you still want to delete it, all you have to do is go back and tap on this remove my Bitmoji option given here in the bottom section and tap on this remove. Afterwards, you will be able to remove your Bitmoji accordingly, and you can add another one as you prefer. So that is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.